Handling gas cylinders by yourself can be a difficult task. Manually lifting, pulling, and pushing heavy cylinders can cause major fatigue and possibly even serious injury. Help your workforce handle these gas cylinders with the Welding Tank Cart. The Welding Tank Cart is a great addition to manufacturing and industrial facilities. The strong steel construction is perfect for transporting and holding single tanks. The included straps allow for safe maneuvering while transporting products. The cart contains a bright yellow finish that promotes visibility in the workplace. For best use, place the cylinder onto the cart in the proper working position. Once in place, increase the tension of the straps around the unit until the tank is secured. Put one of your hands on each handle and now transport cart to a desired location. This product works great with a welding cart for loading and unloading cylinders. The lip on the front of the cart allows the user to safely lift the cylinder onto or take off the cart. Keep your workforce safe while handling gas cylinders with the Welding Tank Cart.